Hi, this is Brianna with journal number 2 for EDAD 614. In my current position as a classroom teacher, most of what I have heard about the LCAP and the LCFF have been during staff meetings when our principal refers to them for funding purposes. We'll refer to them quickly when saying why we can fund something, why we can't fund something, and how when we ask to have certain things, how it relates into our LCAP and into the LCFF. In the last year, we have had a changeover in administration with a new superintendent and assistant superintendents, and the process of working with the LCFF and the LCAP have changed with the new administration. With that new administration, they have invited teachers, parents, and the community to participate in the LCAP development. I was chosen last year as a teacher to participate as well. During that time, the LCAP committee met, I think it was about 4 times last year, to review each part of the LCAP and have discussions on why we're spending the way we are, how this helps our students, and going through everything step by step. One thing during those meetings that I felt increased participation from stakeholders was that our assistant superintendent created kind of what she called the cheat sheet, but she created a summary of the goals and actions that was put into more basic words and kind of broke down the funding for lack of a better word, basic terms so that anyone reading it could understand what the goal was, what was the purpose of it, and what were the items and the funds that it took to meet this. And that way, during those meetings, we could have discussions easier because we weren't trying to understand the vocabulary, trying to understand how it was working, but we could get right down to the nitty-gritty of going, is this the best thing for our students? Is this where we should be spending money, or is there better ways?